Hello, welcome to In-and-Out of OutSystems, where I will show you something cool and useful in OutSystems in 5 minutes. I'm Craig St. Jean from NetLink Digital Solutions. Let's go. So we're continuing off with our PyLights project, link in the description for the first video on that, where I've consumed these APIs from my Raspberry Pi to get some information from the server and also to set that power to that lamp to be on or off. So in this video, we're going to be creating a simple user interface around it. So we're just going to call this PyLights. And to start off, we're just going to get if there's any light in the room and if the lamp is on. So let's create a data source called isLampOn, and its output is going to be this isOn. And here we are going to call getPower. So I just dragged that in from my REST section, and I'm going to assign the output of the getPower REST call to that output variable. So I'm saying isOn, and because the output of getPower is just a Boolean, my dropdown knows that I can use that, so we see getPower.response.on. So perfect. Now we're going to add another one, and let's call this is light in room. And we'll set this to is light. Very similar, we're just going to drag this get intensity and an assign block. We're going to assign isLight. Now this one's a little bit different because our response is an integer, not a Boolean. So isLight is simply going to be a value as 1 or not. Now going back to the screen, let's add some informationals here. So we're going to have a card, and let's have let's do 2 if statements, which are just going to show some icons. I'm going to switch to the widget tree here, drop these in a container so that way I can center those. And we're going to say if the lamp is on, then let's show how about a light bulb? And we're going to show this either way, but if it's on, then we are going to have our class be, let's do text yellow. And for, we're going to call this is lamp on. And we'll have another condition around if there's light in the room. And again, we're going to have some icons. Let's do the sun. Seems appropriate. And if there is light, then we're going to have, again, text yellow. And next, we of course want the ability to toggle that. So we're going to put in another card. We're going to set the class to margin top base, so that way we have some spacing there. And we're just going to have a button. And this is going to be called toggle. Let's find that button. Center that as well. And we're going to make it so that way this calls post power, and it's just going to set an on value to be the opposite of what our current isLampOn is. So we're just going to say not that. Turn off that. And then we're going to refresh this get power. Sorry, we're going to refresh the isLampOn and publish this. And now we can test it out. We're going to sign in. We can see, okay, the lamp is off. There is light in the room. We're going to toggle that. And now the lamp is on. The light shows up. Toggle it, and there we go. In our next video, we're going to add in some timers to do this on a schedule. Thank you. See you then.